Hey, what's up? It's your boy House of Kicks, houseofkicks.com. Some more stuff in the house. All foams today. Start with pewter foams, size 9.5. Worn. I don't have the box foam, but in good condition. See the soles yellowing. That happens. Side. Inside of the shoe. See, pretty clean. Side again. Toe box. Carbon fiber here. Laces, everything is in place. Then I got the eggplant from 2009, size 10. These can easily pass as DS. They've been barely worn maybe a couple of times and that's it. Really nice everything. I still have the shoe trees and everything in it. See that? Everything's barely, I mean, you won't even know that's worn. Clean as clean can be. Bottom. Alright. Toe back side. And I have some cough drops, foams, size 10. Same condition as the eggplant, barely worn, maybe once or maybe twice. That's it. You can see the sole, no heel drags or nothing. Man, it's insane. All right. Inside, you see, still got the shooters and everything in there. So I'll have these on the website, or check me on eBay if you want. houseofkicks.com. Stay tuned for more shoes. Thank you.